Hi, I'm Kelsi with Peacock Family Chiropractic. We are a MaxLiving Health Center in Fishers, Indiana. And today I want to show you non-toxic options to have in your household. So we have gradually transitioned our products that we use for cleaning, for personal care, from just your standard items you would find on the shelf at the store to healthier options. I want to share some products and items that we have in our home today. And hopefully that gives you inspiration for easier changes you're able to make too. Right, so I'm gonna start with cleaning. So there are a lot of chemicals like parabens, phthalates, sodium lauryl sulfate that are in a lot of your body products and cleaning products. And so that's one thing I'm looking to avoid. And so we have made this shift just gradually over time of products from your standard products to less toxic choices that we've found for our family. So we aren't perfect, but I want to share with you some things that are working for us. Starting off with laundry. So I think a lot of people are fearful that their clothes will smell different or won't get as clean, but we are even doing diaper laundry for Aiden and have found some great products that help us. One being white vinegar. We use this as a softener, and not only does it help keep your clothes softer, but it helps take any scents out of it. We're using our Charlie's soap, which we get online, and it's very inexpensive as well as a very clean product. And then we also have used Ecos for some of our clothing laundry that we have, and we've enjoyed that product. It's been good for us. Okay. And then here's some of our dishwashing detergent. There's lots of options for healthier like dish soap. And then thieves cleaner. So we put a portion of this into a spray bottle and have a couple around the house. We use them for everyday purpose cleaning, for bathrooms, for countertops, for spots on the floor. So we really are a huge fan of the thieves cleaner. A little bit goes a long way and has lasted us for quite a while. So this is another alternate for just a healthier everyday cleaner. And then your window cloth and EnviroCloth. So I use this in the everything from countertops to dusting to your even bathroom cleaning, and then I just wash it up afterwards. But your EnviroCloths are a product from Norwex, and the window cloth as well. And I use them just with water, which is awesome. I'm saving a lot of money on products that way, and they're just so versatile. So we even use like the Norwex mop system, and they have like specific things for dusting and such, but I just find that these are very multi-purpose, and I use them almost everywhere in our home. So, okay. And so then you can see some alternate shampoos, deodorants, facial cleansers, bug spray, and sunscreen. The number one thing I'm watching out for in deodorants is I'm avoiding aluminum. And so it is not going to be an antiperspirant. It is going to be just a deodorant. But I have found a lot of different brands that have worked over time. And I just kind of transition depending on where I'm shopping and what's available. But once again, I'm looking for no aluminum. And then oftentimes it's pretty been easy nowadays to find also like paraben-free and cruelty-free, phthalate-free, dye-free, which are all very helpful also for your skin. Okay, for soap, we are using just a simple soap from Trader Joe's. We use it for hand pretty much everywhere in our home, as well as like for showering and for Aiden. There are some great baby products, speaking of, so there are wet wipes and diapers that are better than your traditional products to look for. Even the pacifier, we choose like just a rubber pacifier instead of plastic, and even try like for toys to go more wood rather than plastic for his toys to play with. When it comes to medicinal needs, we often use our MaxLiving vitamin supplements when we have a common cold, getting adjusted, or dealing with an ailment. We not only turn to chiropractic, but then also we use supplements and essential oils. So I do have another video on that you can take a look at for dealing with medicinal needs. Okay, and then so for facial care products, I use a variety of different companies that are very clean. So I do use some beauty counter products for makeup and for skincare. And then for, I've also used some Young Living products. And I also really love our local herbalist, Karen Lynn Burr with Materia Medical Herbal Blending Bar. She has made exfoliators and vitamin C rollers, my moisturizers, and all of her items are organic, locally sourced, and they are just beautiful, and they're so clean, and they're very affordable. So she really knocks it out of the park as far as women's facial care products. So take a look at her. So if you have any questions, I'd love to talk further, but we've just gradually transitioned the items in our home, like I mentioned. So just take one item at a time and start getting rid of the toxic products and bringing in new and healthier items for you and your family. There's a lot of items as well that you can make on your own. We can get into that in another video, but just start taking the process of making those shifts for you and your family. So one other thing I want to mention as well is ewg.org. There are 2 apps that they have and a wonderful website full of resources. You can look up products on there and see if those products are on a scale of 1 to 10, healthy, non-healthy, A to B, for both cleaning products as well as personal care products. So take a look at ewg.org. It is a really great resource and it's free.